In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet. Now, this can be done on the mobile app or on your desktop, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using. But to start with, you're just going to want to open up Trust Wallet. Now, in order to get Solana on Trust Wallet, we actually have two options. We can either buy it directly from Trust Wallet, or we can buy Solana on an exchange and send it over to our Trust Wallet. So to start with, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Solana inside of Trust Wallet. So I've got Solana open, and as you can see at the top, there are 4 different options, and the 4th one at the end is actually buy and sell. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and from there we can choose that we want to buy Solana. So at the moment we're buying ETH, so I can click on ETH, and then we can go to Solana, which is the second option. And as you can see, I want to spend USD to get Solana. Now if you are in America, you obviously want to keep it as USD, but I live in England, so I'm just going to choose GBP, and that will give you credit card quotes and other payment methods for your local currency. So of course, you don't want to buy via USD if you're living in England. So once you've chosen the correct amount, you can then choose how much you want to spend. So let's just say I wanted 100, I could put that in. And then as long as we are happy with this, we can now start looking for quotes. So as we can see, this one's actually giving us the most Solana for our GBP. So we can choose to click this button here, and it will actually open up a new tab, and it will allow us to buy crypto directly into our Trust Wallet. So from here, we can see that we are paying in GBP using whatever payment method you like, and that includes faster payments, OB, Visa and MasterCard card payments, and also Apple Pay and Google Pay. So as you can see, they will be taking a £4.50 GBP fee, which is around 5%. However, this is a very simple and easy service. So if you don't mind paying that 5% fee, we can go ahead and click buy now. From there, you'll get redirected to whatever payment method you chose. And once you have completed that transaction, you will then successfully have Solana inside of your wallet. Now, if you'd rather send it via an exchange, what you would have to do is load some money into your account, and then you can simply trade it for Solana. And once you have Solana in your account like this, you'll be able to click withdraw. You can then choose to withdraw Solana, and you can choose to withdraw that over to your Trust Wallet address. And as long as you have sent it via the Solana network, you would have successfully sent that over to your Trust Wallet. So that's how you can buy Solana on Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.